So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these beautiful and tasty Hasselback potatoes, and they're going to be cooked in a Tefal Actifry Airfryer. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here once again. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook really delicious potatoes. Hasselback potatoes in fact, and I'm going to be cooking these in a Tefal Actifry Airfryer. Very easy to do. If you don't have an Actifry Airfryer, then you can use an oven just the same. These make a lovely side dish, or you can just eat them on their own with loads of butter and sour cream. Stick with me to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. We start by thoroughly scrubbing our potatoes and then patting them dry with some kitchen towel. And then we move on to the next step. I'm going to use 2 chopsticks here, put one on each side. It's a good method. The idea is you cut through the potato, but you don't cut right through the potato. Then it's still joined at the bottom, and that way you're going to be creating your Hasselback potatoes. So when you've completed this task, we'll just check that they open up alright, and then we're going to brush these with some cooking oil. The idea is it makes them more crispy, and also when you put this seasoning, a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper on, it sticks. Don't forget to do both sides. Now I'm going to remove the paddle from the inside of the air fryer because we're not going to need that today, and place the potatoes in there nicely spaced out, and then we close the lid and switch it on. Now the potatoes are not going to take that long, about 30 minutes. They're quite small, and as you can see they've all been cut down quite a bit. Halfway through I lift the lid, check that they're separating up a little bit. I'm going to move these around because some parts of the air fryer get a little bit hotter than the others. And after the 30 minutes, this is what you got. Perfect, don't they look good? So I'm going to remove all of these, take them out of the air fryer, and then I'm going to plate these up. Just get that last one, and off we go. Tasty. Now doesn't that look good? Little bit of parsley on the top. Now you can eat these with some butter, some sour cream. I like to add these to a dish, like an accompaniment if you like, or a side as some people would call it. There it is as a side, with some ribs and salad and a lovely meal. Thanks for watching. Bye.